Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 2nd of August 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 1st and 2nd of August 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, India supported the construction of a 300-year-old Kali temple in which nation? Answer is Bangladesh. India has announced medical assistance of $1 million to which among the following nations? Answer is North Korea. Which ministry has launched a mobile app called Mausam? Answer is Earth Science Ministry. Which of the following day is celebrated as Income Tax Day in India every year? Answer is 24th July. Which country has recently become the 87th member of ISA, that is International Solar Alliance? Answer is Nicaragua. Sixth question was, to boost the dairy industry in the state, which state government has recently signed a MOU with the Amul? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following day has been celebrated as CRPF's Raising Day recently? Answer is 27th July. Which state or union territory government launched a free website portal named Rozgar Bazaar for job seekers and employers? Answer is Delhi. Ninth question was, in which of the following states recently a world-class state-of-art honey testing laboratory has been inaugurated? Answer is Gujarat. And last question was, India has collaborated with which country to develop an ultra rapid testing kit for COVID-19? Answer is Israel. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Tiger Day? Answer is option number 2, 29th July. Every year, 29th July is celebrated as World Tiger Day. It is celebrated to raise awareness for the tiger conservation. It was created in 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit, and the goal of this day is to promote a global system for protecting the natural habitats of tiger and to raise public awareness and support for tiger conservation issues. Answer will be option number 2, 29th July. Next question, which ministry has been renamed as the Ministry of Education recently? Answer is option number 4, HRD Ministry. HRD, or the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, has recently been renamed as the Ministry of Education. The decision was taken during a cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Union Cabinet has also approved a new education policy called National Education Policy 2020. And this policy has been revealed by the Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, as there were no changes in the policy for almost 34 years. The National Education Policy 2020 comprises major reforms in the higher education sector, including a target of 50% gross enrollment ratio by 2035. Answer will be option number 4, HRD Ministry. Next question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated which nation's Supreme Court building recently on July 13th? Answer is option number 1, Mauritius. Recently, the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi along with Mauritius PM Pravind Jagannath has jointly inaugurated the nation's new Supreme Court building on July 13th. The new Supreme Court building has been constructed with the India's grant assistance, and it is the first India-assisted infrastructure project within the capital of Mauritius, Port Louis. This building is one of the 5 projects that is being implemented under the Special Economic Package of $353 million extended by the Government of India to Mauritius in 2016. Answer will be option number 1, Mauritius. Mauritius, look into the map. This is Mauritius. Capital is Port Louis. Prime Minister is Pravind Jagannath, and currency of Mauritius is Mauritius Rupiah. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, which international organization has approved $3 million grant to India to fight COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is option number 2, Asian Development Bank. Recently, ADB, or Asian Development Bank, has announced that it has approved $3 million grant to India from its Asia Pacific Disaster Response Fund. The bank has provided the grant to support India's emergency response to COVID-19 pandemic. This fund will further support India's emergency response to pandemic, improving surveillance, early detection, contact tracing, treatment, and other public health measures. Answer will be option number 2, Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank, or ADB, is a regional development bank, and it was established to promote social and economic development in Asia. It was established on 19th December 1966. Its headquarters is in Manila, which is in the Philippines, and currently president is Matsugu Asukawa. Next question, name the medical bed isolation system developed by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, that is DIAT, for preventing or minimizing the spread of the coronavirus? Answer is option number 2, ASHRAE. Recently, the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, that is DIAT, has developed ASHRAE, a medical bed isolation system to combat COVID-19 by preventing or minimizing the spread of the virus. Answer will be option number 2, ASHRAE. This has been developed by DIAT. Long form of DIAT is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. It is the premier deemed university under the Department of Defense Research and Development, Ministry of Defense, and it is specialized in the training of officers of Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary forces, Coast Guard and defense research organizations, and it was established in 1952. Answer will be option number 2. Which bank provided liquidity support of 16.20 million as a COVID relief for government of Maldives recently? Answer is option number 3, State Bank of India or SBI. Recently, SBI has provided liquidity support of $16.20 million for local businesses and deferred loan repayment for over 200 retail accounts in Maldives. Maldives is a small island in South Asia situated in Arabic Sea of the Indian Ocean. Its capital is Malé. President is Ibrahim Mohammed Solih and currency of Maldives is Maldivian rupiah. Next question. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Nature Conservation Day annually? Answer is option number 2, 28th July. Every year, 28th July is celebrated as World Nature Conservation Day to remind humankind about the importance of nature and the need to protect the nature. It is also celebrated to spread awareness about the best practices to protect the natural resources. Answer will be option number 2. Next, who has been re-elected as the President of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, that is AIIB? Answer is option number 4, Jean LeCun. Recently, the Board of Governors on Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has re-elected Jean LeCun as the president for second term. Answer will be option number 4. What is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? It is a multilateral development bank that aims to support the building of infrastructure in the Asian Pacific region. It was established on 16th of January 2016. Its headquarters is in Beijing in China and currently president is Jean LeCun. Next question. Name the organization which launched Dare to Dream 2.0 contest for innovators and startups. Answer is option number 2, DRDO. Recently, DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, has launched an innovation contest Dare to Dream 2.0 on the occasion of 5th death anniversary of former President of India and noted scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This has been launched as an open challenge to promote the innovators and startups of the country. Answer will be option number 2, DRDO. DRDO, long form is Defense Research and Development Organization. It is an agency under the Department of Defense Research and Development in Ministry of Defense. It was established in 1958. Headquarters is in New Delhi and currently chairman of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Next, who represented India at the 6th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting? Answer is option number 2, Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar is the Environment Minister of India and recently he has participated in the 6th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting on July 13, 2020. The meeting was held via video conferencing under the presidency of Russia. Answer will be option number 2. What is BRICS? BRICS is an association of 5 nations, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. It was established in 2009. The cabinet has approved the signing of MOU between India and which nation on traditional systems of medicine? Answer is option number 1, Zimbabwe. Recently, the government of India has approved a MOU signed between India and Zimbabwe to expand cooperations in the field of traditional systems of medicine and homeopathy. Answer will be option number 2, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, look it enough. This is Zimbabwe. Capital is Harare. President is Emmerson Mnangagwa and currency of Zimbabwe is Zimbabwean dollar. Next, who has been appointed as the new private secretary of PM Narendra Modi recently? Answer is option number 1, Hardik Satish Chandra Shah. Look at the image. This is Hardik Satish Chandra Shah. He is an IAS officer of 2010 batch and recently he has been appointed as the new private secretary of PM Narendra Modi. Answer will be option number 1. Next question. Recently, the IMF or International Monetary Fund has approved the largest COVID-19 loan of $4.3 billion for which country? Answer is option number 2, South Africa. Recently, IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, has approved $4.3 billion loan to South Africa in emergency funding, and this is the largest amount given to any country aid to fight the coronavirus pandemic. South Africa is the worst hit country in the continent with over 450,000 cases. Answer will be option number 2, South Africa. South Africa, look at the map. This is South Africa. Capitals of South Africa are Cape Town, Pretoria and Bloemfontein. President is Cyril Ramaphosa and currency of South Africa is South African Rand. This loan has been approved by IMF. Long form of IMF is International Monetary Fund. It is an international organization working to boost global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. It was established on 27th of December 1945. Its headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently, managing director of IMF is Kristalina Georgieva and chief economist is Gita Gopinath. Next, who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Croatia? Answer is option number 1, Andrej Plenković. Recently, Andrej Plenković has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Croatia. Croatia, this is Croatia, capital is Zagreb, president is Zoran Milanovic, Prime Minister is Andrej Plenković and currency of Croatia is kuna. Next, which commercial company has recently launched a 90-minute delivery service? Answer is option number 2, Flipkart. Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company, and recently Flipkart has launched a 90-minute hyperlocal delivery service for groceries and electronic products, and the service is named as Flipkart Quick. This service has started in Bengaluru and will be expanded to 4 to 5 major cities in the coming month. This model aims to tap new consumers by expanding access to products and enabling them to order nearby Flipkart hubs. Answer will be option number 2, Flipkart. Flipkart, it is an Indian e-commerce company. It was established in 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Beni Bansal. Its headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and currently CEO is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Next question. Cricketer Kazi Onik, who is in news recently, is associated with which country? Answer is option number 3, Bangladesh. Look into the image. This is cricketer Kazi Onik Islam. He is a younger quick bowler and he recently has been banned for 2 years by Bangladesh Cricket Board for failing in doping test. He was the leading wicket taker for Bangladesh in 2018 Under-19 World Cup. Answer will be option number 3, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, this is Bangladesh, capital is Dhaka, president is Abdul Hamid, prime minister is Sheikh Hasina and currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, Indian Railways plan to launch the first set of private trains by which year? Answer is option number 4, 2023. Recently, Indian Railways has planned to launch its first set of private trains by 2023. Now, today's question. Question is, which state's government has approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Delhi and Maharashtra. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below or we'll discuss this question in the next video.